Step 2 of the Search Campaign Builder is to add keywords that will trigger the display of ads, and negative keywords to stop ads showing for irrelevant search. The keywords entered will be used to create headline 1 in your ads. Selecting keywords that make sense as a headline is recommended. A separate ad group will be created for each keyword you enter. When you are ready, please paste in a list of positive keywords. It's advisable to confirm that your keywords have sufficient search volume to be eligible to run in Google Ads. This can be done using the Google Keyword Planner tool. Next comes the addition of negative phrase match keywords. When you are ready, please paste in your list of negative phrase match keywords. If you do not have a list, you may wish to click the Add List as Phrase button to select from any negative keyword lists available. Finally comes the addition of negative exact match keywords. When you are ready, please paste in your list of negative exact match keywords. When done, press Next to proceed to Step 3, Add Copy.